Welcome to a journey through time, where ancient mysteries and architectural marvels converge. Today, we're setting our sights on a place that holds the secrets of an enigmatic civilization, Chichen Itza. Located on the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, this awe-inspiring archaeological site is a testament to the ingenuity and sophistication of the ancient Mayan people. Chichen Itza was once a thriving pre-Columbian city, and its name translates to, at the mouth of the well of the Itza. The site's history dates back over 1,000 years, with its peak flourishing between the 9th and 12th centuries CE. Today, it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the world. One of the most iconic structures at Chichen Itza is the Pyramid of Kukulkan, also known as El Castillo. This magnificent pyramid stands tall, rising over 79 feet 24 meters high, and is a testament to the Mayan celestial and mathematical knowledge. With 91 steps on each of its 4 sides, plus the platform on top, totaling 365 steps, equivalent to the number of days in a solar year, it showcases their profound understanding of astronomy. During the spring and autumn equinoxes, an extraordinary event unfolds at the Pyramid of Kukulkan. As the sun sets, a remarkable play of light and shadow occurs, creating the illusion of a serpent slithering down the pyramid's staircase. This phenomenon is a tribute to Kukulkan, the feathered serpent god, and a breathtaking example of the Mayans' architectural precision. Not far from the pyramid, we find another intriguing structure, the Great Ball Court. This massive playing field is the largest of its kind in Mesoamerica, stretching over 545 feet, 166 meters long and 225 feet, 68 meters wide. The game played here, known as the Mesoamerican ball game, held deep religious and ritualistic significance. The rings on the wall served as hoops, and players had to use their hips to keep a rubber ball in play. It is said that the winning team's captain would receive the ultimate prize, an offering to the gods, while the losing captain would meet a more unfortunate fate. Beyond the ball court lies the Temple of the Warriors, an imposing structure adorned with intricate carvings of warriors and captives. Alongside the temple stands the Thousand Columns, a vast colonnade of stone pillars, each telling a story of its own. These columns supported the roof of a large marketplace and were a hub of commerce and social interaction in ancient times. Chichen Itza's significance extended beyond its impressive structures. The site also boasts natural wonders, such as the cenote of sacred waters. Cenotes were revered by the Maya as sacred places and sources of life-giving water. They played an essential role in Mayan rituals and were believed to be portals to the underworld. As we conclude our virtual tour of Chichen Itza, we are left humbled by the brilliance of the Mayan civilization. This ancient city's legacy endures through its magnificent architecture, astronomical knowledge, and sacred traditions. Chichen Itza stands as a timeless testament to the resilience and ingenuity of humanity. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more explorations of the world's wonders. Until next time, happy travels.